Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As you know, we are working on the GIT series, and the last session was about GIT GUI. We learned a few basics about GIT GUI. In this session, we will learn how to integrate and work with Git inside IntelliJ IDEA. As you know, IntelliJ IDEA is one of the IDE which is Integrated Development Environment. Here we can easily make the code changes and deploy them. We can do so many things. Not only we can develop, but also we can commit and push them to the repositories, even local or remote. Now, how to do that? As you know, if we do any code changes, first thing we have to do is we have to add them to Git stage area. For example, I am doing a few changes in first controller, which is a Java class. Let me make it a REST controller. Then let me add a service in it, public string get employee return employee. I'm just adding a few code changes, nothing else. So let me add a get mapping also slash employee. Now I have saved it. First thing we have to do is add this to staging area. To do that, right click on the class name. You can find Git menu here and you can just go scroll up and you can see the add here. I have added it. The second step we need to do is commit. Now, if you can click on the main menu, you can find a Git menu. Here you can see commit. Just click on that. So as you can see, we are seeing the changes. The first controller has the changes now, and it is giving whatever we are getting in green are the line of code we have added. And now, so we can add a method, we can add a message here. First controller get method added. I just added randomly. And then the next step we have to do is commit. Or there is an option with commit and push. Let us try this commit and push. So there is some warning, but still I want to commit. Let me see commit anyway and push. Now it has been committed. Where we have to push, that is the question. So you can see here our local branch is dev, and the origin also we can select either dev or master. I am selecting dev itself, and here you can see there are two options, push and force push. I am just pushing it. As you can see, one more thing, for commit and push to non-protected branches, preview commits before push. So this is non-protected branch, which is dev. Let me push it. As you can see, one file committed, first controller get method added. Now it is saying the status here pushing. Before that, it want me to give the token. Token is nothing but some authentication token so that I can log in it. I don't have the token, so I will generate one. Once we click there, it will redirect me to my remote repository, and here I can see the personal access tokens. I can give any name. It has suggested one name, IntelliJ IDEA, GitLab integration plugin. So description also we can give anything. Now we can set the expiration date also. It has by default given 1 month. Let it be. There are a few scopes also like read user, API, everything, read write access to the API, everything. You can read all of these one by one. Now I am creating a personal access token. It has been created. If you want, you can click here to see. Then to copy it, you can click here to copy personal access token. I have copied now. I will go back to the IntelliJ IDEA. I will paste it in the token and then click on login. For the first commit, we need to log in. So as you can see, pushed one commit to origin dev. Let us go to the remote repository to check if the changes are there or not. As you can see, this is the dev branch. And if we go to commits, we can see the latest commit, first controller get method added. So this has been ordered by me on Stack Lab 2 minutes ago. So it has been pushed. Also, we can see the differences as well. For example, I have added one more method. Just name it student. Save it. Now I want to see the differences that is also possible, like how we used to use git differ command. Here we can see show diff. So as you can see, the get student method I have added. So whatever we added, it is representing in the green color. Let me close this. Also, if I remove this first method and save it, and now if I can show you the differences through show diff, as you can see, the employee is present here but not here, and the student is present here and not here. This is the difference. Now let me close this. And also, anything that you can achieve from the command line can be achieved here, like commit, push. We already tested this commit and push today, and update the project, pull, fetch, merge, rebase, everything we can see. Like also we can check the branches. We have two branches, dev and master. It can specify whichever local and remote as well. In local and remote both we have these two branches. So this way whatever we can achieve from the command prompt, we can achieve from the Git itself. So these are a few things about the usage of Git with the IntelliJ IDEA. In the next sessions, we will discuss how can we integrate Git with Eclipse as well, and also a few more things we will discuss in the upcoming sessions about Git. So please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions. And if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.